Do you want to learn how I made these juicy, tender chicken cocktail sandwiches better than you get at a restaurant? So here is the recipe. Cut chicken breast fillet into halves. The secret to a tender chicken is to use a meat hammer. Use it on both sides to get a better result. Now marinate the chicken with salt and pepper, lemon, Worcestershire sauce, and ginger garlic paste for at least 30 minutes to get a better result in the fridge. Now let's make the essence of the sandwich, which is cocktail sauce. Add in 4 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, which is optional. Mix it, add a pinch of salt, a little ketchup, and here you go. Our cocktail sauce is ready. Meanwhile, we cut our fries and salad for the sandwich. Cook the marinated chicken with a little oil for 5 to 7 minutes. And now we are ready to assemble the sandwiches. I removed the edges of the bread. Layer the bread with ketchup, cocktail sauce we made, cooked chicken, salad, a slice of cheese. Also, you can add lettuce leaves and olives. I didn't have at that moment, but it makes it even more yummier. Also, I double layered my sandwich with cocktail sauce. I think the saucier, the better. Now, heat the sandwiches in a grill pan so we can get a nice crusty top. And here you go, our juicy, easy cocktail sandwiches are ready. If you like the video, give it a like and save it for later. Bye!